All
Put
right.
it on.
Is it?
Yeah.
So you just set it on the
Stick
paper
it
or
in
you shove it
the-
in the ground?
Probably shove it in the ground. It's a fountain one. Give me like.
Ut und Grund. Ha.
So put that onto the pavement here. Oh. Where's the hole?
There.
Right there. Behind you.
In front of you.
So
No,
this
that's not it.
thing- over here. The hole.
No, it's over here.
Right here.
How many holes do we have?
8. Don't shine it on my bum.
Flash.
Oh, how I wish I were a glower. Because a glower was never gloves. That's how can you be angry when the sun shines out your bum?
Is your bum shiny?
No. Oh. It's a raging blizzard.
Ooh, something sparked over there.
The cricket.
A cricket blew up?
Put it out! It was a fish. I know, I can't see.
Do that with a lighter. Yes, yes. Oh,
Father.
stepped on something.
Padre.
Yeah, we kind of need the flash of that. Oh, I have a cell phone.
That's the next one. Same kind as the fish. Is it a spider?
But is it the same kind as the blizzard?
Father. No, it's
Oh,
a
no,
fish.
it's a fish.
Yeah,
The gill one.
It's a gill.
I think the other gill should be.
Here we go.
Where are you going?
Right over here.
Try this one again.
It smells like barbecued hot dogs out here. Ah, fine. It's gonna be a big pop one again.
That's a fish. What's out?
Oh, right above me!
Now wait till it falls.
It's gonna hit me on the head. Ah!
Knocks Rachel out.